Hi everyone, this is a channel to learn and treat with herbal medicine. Please register for channels to regularly update the latest news. The one-flower seven-leaf tree is dubbed the rare species of heterosexual flower of Hoang Lien mountain range. The precious herb has the effect of detoxifying, treating many extremely wonderful diseases. Below is a legend about the discovery of this precious tree and its uses. Strange legend about a seven-leaf flower plant. Legend has it that, a long time ago, there was a young man named Jian San living in the mountains of Zhejiang Province, China. Since both parents died early without siblings, the only way he could make money was to sell firewood collected on the mountain. One day while chopping wood, a poisonous snake suddenly rushed out of the bush, biting on his leg. Soon after, he fainted and fell to the ground. Fortunately, at that moment there were 7 fairies coming to the mountain of heaven flying by. Seeing Jian San lying on the ground unconscious, the fairies surrounded him. With compassion they used their sanity towel to cover the wound. Much more fortunate, Wang Mao, the mother of the 7 fairies who happened to fly over the mountain, saw what was going on. Without thinking much, Hoang Mao, a princess, took out a jade hairpin, placed it in the middle of 7 towels. Due to the influence of magical energy from 7 towels and clamps, the venom quickly dissipated from Jian San's body and he gradually regained consciousness. When he woke up, he heard some strange sounds from the strong wind and saw 7 towels and a jade clip suddenly turned into 7 leaves and a yellow flower. He was immediately dumbfounded as if he had just woken up from a dream. Moreover, he found that his skin was smooth without any scars. Finally, he remembered that it was the beautiful wild flower that saved his life. After returning to the village, he shared a miraculous meeting with the people and led them to find the magic flower. They all believed that miraculous energy from flowers made it possible to dissipate snake venom and evil air from the human body. From then on, as soon as someone was bitten by a snake, they all went up the mountain to find this flower and every time it brought extraordinary effects. When asked about the name of the flower, Jian San said it was named the most flower branch, the 7-leaf flower tree. Later, the flower became an exceptionally rare herb in traditional medicine. What is a tree? 7 leaves 1 flower called medicine is the most misleading chimai. The scientific name is Paris Peluphylla sm of the onion family. According to Vietnam's medicinal plants and medicinal herbs. Dutat loi. The 7-leafed 1-leaf tree is a small grass but a long-lived, short stem, about 5–15 cm long, abo. Or 2.5–3.5 cm in diameter, many burning, difficult to break. The tip of the crack looks like a white, yellow or gray powder. The rhizomes are floating on the ground, growing vertically, about 1 meter high. The root part has less scales due to some degraded leaves forming. Leaves growing in bosses often have 7 leaves, sometimes 3 to 10 leaves. The lanceolate leaves are 4–8 cm wide, 15–21 cm long. The leaves are smooth, the leaves are pointed, the lower face is light green or violet blue. Stalks about 2.5–3 cm long. Pistil is purple and red, gourd has 3 compartments. Flowers usually bloom in October 11, ripe purple and black fruit. Trees are distributed mainly in Hoang Lien Sun mountain areas such as, the mountainous area belongs to Kuk Fung Forest, Ha Nam, Sun Dong, Ha Giang, Ninh Bin, Sa Pa, Lao Kai, Da Bac, Hoa Bin. In 1934, Pectalot found 7 types of 1-leaf flower around Sa Pa area with different types but not yet put into use. The rhizome part of a 1-flower 7-leaf plant is used as a dry medicine with the name algae. The best harvest of retirement is in autumn-winter, the best is its medicinal properties. Composition and effects of retirement algae. According to traditional medicine, peanut algae has bitter taste, poisonousness, welding properties, 2 sutras and cans. It has the effect of detoxifying, purifying, asthma, pointing concept. Commonly used to treat poisonous snakes, insects, insect bites, sore throat, mumps, DOM sting, infectious encephalitis, diphtheria, cough, asthma. According to modern retired algae medicine containing glucoside components, saponin properties called pyridine C16H2807 and parastophin C38H64018 are also a glucoside. Recent scientific research, the retirement algae has bactericidal, anti-inflammatory effect, inhibits viruses, enhances the function of adrenal glands, sedation, calming, anti-cough. Especially effective in inhibiting lung cancer cells and stomach cancer, prolonging the life of patients. Many studies by Chinese authors have shown that the best extracts of flowers have contributed to prolonging the life of patients with stomach cancer and lung cancer. Thus, it can be seen that most flowers are one of the precious herbs with many different uses, including the treatment of malignant diseases. Recently, it has been discovered that the composition of retired algae is found in some Chinese anti-cancer drugs. Besides, Chinese people also use 7-leaf plants, 1 flower in the house to chase snakes. Using leaves to cover snake bites, insects burn. Use outside without dose. Western Europeans also use 1-leaf, 7-leaf tree to make bleach, antispasmodic, and swelling. Some remedies from 7-leaf plants, 1 flower. Cure snake venom. Use retired algae powder 2 to 3 times a day. Use 6 grams, time. Or maybe 20 grams of peanut algae. Take drinking water during the day. Use a freshly crushed rhizome, mixed with white wine to fill the place where the snake bites, regardless of the dose. Cure high fever, convulsions, mumps, measles, 4 grams peanut algae, 12 grams mint, 8 grams celestial pollen. Take drinking water. Divide is 3 times a day. Cure dreadful young children, twitching limbs. Use retired algae powder to drink. Drink 4 to 5 times per day, 0.5-1 g each time. Treatment of DOM domination, grinding retired algae with vinegar and then applying the medicine directly to the anus. Apply gauze and then gently push up. Day 2 to 3 times. Cure cough, long-term asthma. Excellent 15 grams super algae. Get drinking water. Or stew with pig or chicken meat to eat. Cure all kinds of swollen alveoli. Algae mixed with vinegar, crushed, put on the painful swelling. Make it happen. Hi everyone.